Good morning, my Destiny tribe. I don't mind to have breakfast with that view every day. How about you? My God, it's such a beautiful place. We arrived to this beautiful beach here called Andaman Beach. We are looking for a spot to record a video about our pregnancy update, and of course we're gonna enjoy this beautiful beach. Check it out. The sea looks stunning right now. The sun is hitting the water. Just have this degradation between light blue and dark blue. Just have a walk.
Just recorded my 1-month pregnancy update video. If you want to see that, check this card here and I will leave the link below as well. And now we are going to have lunch. We are at Andaman Beach now.
So we are having fried tofu with basil leaves and vegetables, some chili sauce, morning glory,
And it's a red curry.
red curry,
Yeah.
and it's looking just delicious. Look, a lot of colors on this table. That's the way to go. And they're bringing one steamed rice for me. Well, we just took a dip on here at Andaman Beach. Such a beautiful beach. This place is really beautiful. And now we're gonna lay down here on the sand a little bit. That's just drying up there. Hey! Beauty! Hey. Yeah, it's just very calm here in Koh Jum. A lot of families. Yeah, I mean the island is calm, the sea is wavy here, but still it's a very good weather, a very good vibe, you know. Everybody seems to be very happy because they're having holidays with their family, of course. And we are planning to visit the village on the center of the island right now.
Dried mangoes. Woo! Destiny boy going to our hotel by motorbike, and I decided, yeah, about I think 100 meters or so from the hotel, I decided to walk because this road is really bumpy and I want to be safe with the baby. So I walked this last little part of the road to our hotel, and the rest of the road, it was paved. My new friend. We have a whole lot of coins to use in here, so we'll come handy.
สวัสดีค่ะกรุณานำหัวจ่ายน้ำมันใส่ถังแล้วกดปุ่ม Start เพื่อทำการเติมน้ำมัน
Guys, check it out. There is some music coming from the gas machine. It's
I
like
hope there's not copyright infringement.
as
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Kapung Guys, right now we are going to have dinner inside a boat restaurant. You can't really see it right now because it's night time, so I'm gonna show you inside, but I place a picture for you to see how it looks like during the daylight. Let's go.
It's a beautiful starry night. It's a beach. We can show that in the video, guys.